breeding, gardening, and farming enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a unique exploration into the world of hybrid cattle with the extraordinary Half Longhorn, Half Watusi. These hybrid creatures offer a fascinating blend of characteristics from their parent breeds. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more intriguing discoveries. These hybrids often exhibit the characteristic long horns of the American Longhorn, which can span several feet from tip to tip. Their coat coloration varies, but may include the distinctiveness of the Watusi's black coat and white facial markings. To successfully raise Half Longhorn, Half Watusi cattle, it's important to provide them with ample grazing land, as well as clean water and suitable shelter. Their adaptability makes them well suited to various climates, and proper nutrition is essential for their well-being. These hybrids generally exhibit docile temperaments, similar to both parent breeds. They can coexist with other livestock, but should be managed with care, especially considering their impressive horns. Adequate fencing and separation when necessary are key to preventing conflicts. Now let's talk about their uses. Half Longhorn. Half Watusi cattle can serve multiple purposes on the farm. They are often raised for beef production, inheriting the lean meat qualities of their parent breeds. Additionally, their unique appearance makes them attractive for decorative and heritage purposes. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of the Half Longhorn, Half Watusi hybrid cattle. With their blend of history, striking appearance, and versatility, these hybrids bring a unique character to any farm. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more captivating species on our channel.